Hi everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to turn comments on if YouTube has turned them off. So YouTube has their own reason why they allow this turn off or disable comment. It could be accidental or not. However, there is always a solution for that. So on your YouTube channel, you have to tap your profile and then go to YouTube Studio. Here on your YouTube Studio, what you're going to do here on your first method is you have to go to settings, tap this one, and then under settings, you have to look for channel. That is below general, tap this one, and then you have to click this advanced settings right here. Now, as you can see, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? So maybe the reason why YouTube disabled to turn off the comment is that because you have set your video into the first one here, which is set this channel as made for kids. So as you can see, notifications, comments, and stories will be disabled. So what you're going to do here is you have to click the second or the third one. So if you tap this one and then you have the option if you allow a certain comment or not, but your comments won't be disabled. The second thing is that maybe the reason why is you have set your video into unlisted or private. So in order to change that into public, you just have to click the arrow facing down and then click public. And this will allow or enable everyone to comment on your YouTube. So this is the second method here. You have to set your video into public. Now, the third method to turn on comments here on YouTube is you have to go back to your YouTube studio or YouTube channel and then go to your YouTube studio. And then same thing, what you're going to do is go to your settings. And then under settings, you have to look for community. So this time you have to look for community. Okay. And then once you have tapped this community right here, you have to go to defaults. And then as you can see, we have here messages in your live chat. You can click this or you can tap this whole potential inappropriate chat if you want. But let's move on to comments on your channel. So you have to make sure that you have clicked none. So as you can see, don't hold any comments here. If you tap basic, it will hold potential inappropriate comments. So you will not see whole comments on your video. So you have to click the none here in order for you to see all of the comments on your YouTube channel or YouTube video. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.